Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2015 the Ford F150. Stock number is 7199. Let's take a look at this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition on the passenger side. Running boards. It's the XTR edition. Absolutely impeccable vehicle, just over 50,000 miles. This gorgeous F-150. I mean, if you're looking at camping, maybe a daily driver, family vehicle, you can't beat this. Let's take a look at the interior. Sunset Ford is home of warranty protection for life, oil changes for life on qualified vehicles. Take notice of the interior condition, power fully loaded with everything you can imagine. Very clean truck. For more information on this truck or any other trucks in our inventory or vehicles, call, email, or text us. We'll be happy to answer any questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.